Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you a walkthrough of new AgilePoint NX version 8 portal experience. The first thing you will notice about the new AgilePoint NX portal experience is the modern UI. It is more intuitive, perfectly organized, and a pleasure to look at visually. During the design phase, we did hundreds of user tests with current as well as new users to ensure that it meets our design goals, which were to deliver a simpler, easier, and faster UI to our customers. So let's look at it. So what you are seeing on the screen is the new sign-in page. It has been completely redesigned with rest of the screens which I am going to be showing you today. If you click on AgilePoint ID, click sign in. So there's a new experience as well. It takes you to the new landing page, which replaces the current existing vanilla out of the box landing page which came with the product. Also, the toolbar has been changed to have the new display style. If I go to tour guide, the tour guide has been redesigned as well to walk you through various modules. If you hover over the user's name over here and go to user profile, the user profile screens have been redesigned as well. This includes reset password, change password kind of screens. Now next I'm going to take you to build apps. Now this is where most of the effort was put in. We have redesigned around 5,000 dialogues in the build app experience, which includes the process designer as well as form designer, to have a more enhanced application building experience. So the first thing you will look at is there is a new menu display style at the top. Also the colors have been totally changed and the learn more section has been redesigned. And if you look at the application explorer, and if you drill down, all the icons, if you see, have been changed as well, the display fonts, as well as if you select one of the folders, for example process model, the individual icons over here have been changed. Also each and every dialog, if I go over here, has been totally redesigned as well. Now if I go back to the root of this application and click on process model, you have a new loader icon. Now it takes me to the process designer. As you can see, a similar experience over there. The toolbar has been totally redesigned. Also what you would notice is that for each and every workflow activity which was available out of the box, the icon as well as the image over here has been replaced. So if you have an existing process model and you put some custom colors at the top for your swim lanes, those would be maintained, but the icons would automatically inherit the new icon style. So you don't have to do anything as far as migration of the process model is concerned. So again, if you click on any of the shapes, the whole dialog experience has been changed, the display styles, the data explorer style, the navigation buttons, each and every of these dialog went through a design change. Now next I'm going to show you the forms part of it. So I'm going to drag and drop a form activity. I'm going to add a new form. I'm going to say this is a blank form and click finish. So pretty similar thing you will notice with the form designer as well. All the pop-up dialogues have been redesigned, and if you see the navigation style at the top for these dialogues are more modern looking ones. Also the data explorer has been redesigned in the same way. So next what you will notice is that for each and every control we have changed the icon. There's a new menu at the top which you can see over here. Also the theme, the base theme of the product has been changed. In the form you will see that previously there used to be green buttons, rectangular shaped buttons. Now these are the new modern looking theme which we have made as the base default theme of the forms. I'm going to cover this in a separate video, but if you drag and drop a control, it maintains the same kind of a look and feel with the rest of the product. Similarly, if I go to say a rule builder screen, all those pop-up dialogues have been redesigned to match the new style. Lastly, if you see over here, for both tablet as well as the phone layouts, the preview screens have been changed to reflect more of an iPhone 11 kind of a style. However, if you use an existing form instead of creating a new one, that means you have an application with existing form. You can select it, click on edit. And what you notice over here is that it maintains the old look and feel, the classic look and feel. It has your own custom CSS if you applied those, and the classic look and feel of the buttons. I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into this topic in a separate video on how you can now migrate your existing application UI to newer themes after you have tested it. But that's for a separate video. I'm going to go back. Next, I'm going to take you to build apps. Data entity. So on the data entity module, we have changed the home page as well as the navigation to meet the new look and feel. Similarly, if you go to build pages, very similar change. The home page as well as the navigation menu has been modified to meet the new style. And if you go to manage center, you're going to see the same. The home page and the navigation menu has been changed. The subsequent screens are yet to be changed in manage center. That was out of scope for version 8. We were targeting more of end user facing screens, and the manage center is more for the administrators. Eventually, we are going to redesign the manage center screens as well, which you will see over the next few months. Okay, next, if you click on settings, the entire setting module has been redesigned as well as per the new theme. So if you go to say column settings in work center, they have been totally redesigned as well to match the new look and feel. Same goes for the help screen. Thanks a lot for your time. We really hope that you enjoy using the new UI as much as we enjoyed building it.